morning, there is one thing that I need to do, which is to give a room tour. So this is a really small room. Here is the toilet and here is the room. We have two luggages, so the luggage will have to be laid out this way. The closet, you gotta kind of like pack things up pretty neatly. A nice painting, some sort. Very basic. Over here, there is a little work desk area, plus the TV which we hardly use. That's where we keep our drinks and some of the brochure that we collected over the days. And we bring our own extension cord for charging our electronics. The one thing why I always come to this hotel is really because of this. The noise reduction is not exactly that great, so I gotta kind of speak a little softer. I get to have this view every day. I don't really get to fully utilize because we're pretty much out in the day and only comes back late in the night. Potted plant to outdoor seats. There are pharmacies down the street. There are lots and lots of restaurants, and we have neighbors on both sides. This is where we've been staying for the past few days, and we will be moving on to Amsterdam. And when we come back, we will be right back here again. The plan today is to go and visit some Sunday market. So today is a weekend. So this is the first weekend market. It's at this metro called Place Mall. They're situated at one specific spot.
Quand il a vu qu'il y avait du vent, il est
空空就走了，
一定要吃完了，只剩下2天而已啊，3天，2天半。
你要买吗？
They have Pussy Willow here. Weekend market, which is along this street. Okay, I'm not sure how to pronounce it. Some of the shops are not open yet. Since we're here, we walk around and see what is there. This must be the smallest supermarket I've ever seen so far. So much berries. I think this is a better weekend market. There are a lot more things to see. Seriously, I have no idea where we are right now, but it's very quiet. So because it is also New Year's Eve today, we have to go to the supermarket to get some grocery and stock up some food for tomorrow. We will be going out and do some walking at the gardens, but basically all the shops will be closed. We need to get food. So for some reason, statues with the kind of head reminds me of Napoleon. We've been walking for close to 20 minutes. Still walking. Having Chinese food again. Lunch was quite bad. Do not recommend that place. Come to Paris, sit by the streets, and have a cup of coffee.全法国质量第一，价格最低，品种最全。It's close. 这个好吗？因为这个好像是熟了，1张啊。Can't believe this is for €3. The sky is so dark. We're just walking around trying to find food, and no luck so far. We're just braving the rain. With our groceries. We've got wine. Very cheap wine. €3. So again, the portion is so huge. So we just had dinner and now heading back.